All right, if you're suspecting someone has blocked you on Facebook, here is how you can check and know it. All right, so if the person was on your friend list, first you're gonna just go visit your friend list and see if the person's name is showing up. If it does, you can tap on the name to visit their profile. If it's showing something like this or this content is not available right now, then that person might have blocked you. To cross check it, you can just go ahead, tap on any of your other friends' name, and if you can easily visit their profile without any problem, that also means that other person might have blocked you. Now, another way is, although the name is showing up on your friend list, if you search for them in the search bar, they will never show up in here. And apart from that, there is another way that if you go to Messenger, their message thread will show up and you can still send them messages, but it never gets seen or even delivered. And while you're here, if you just go ahead, try to visit their profile from Messenger as well, and if it's still showing the same prompt, that also means that person have blocked you. And yeah, these are all the ways that you can be sure somebody has blocked you on Facebook. Thanks for watching.